Hey everyone, do you get nervous when someone says, "Tell me about yourself"? Today, we'll teach you the best way to answer.
Yes, this question is super common in interviews, meetings, and even when meeting new people. Let's make it easy.
Before we start, hit that subscribe button for the Simple English podcast. We make English learning fun and simple.
Okay, so when someone says, "Tell me about yourself," many people make one big mistake. They talk too much or too little.
Exactly. The best answer has 3 parts. First, say who you are now. For example, "Hi, I'm Maria. I'm a teacher."
Good. Second, tell them about your past, something interesting you did before, like, "I studied English in college."
Perfect. And third, talk about your future or goals. Say, "I want to help students speak English better."
Let me give you a complete example. Listen. Hi, I'm John. I'm a software engineer. I studied computer science and worked in 2 companies. Now I want to build apps that help people learn.
Wow, that's clear and short. See? 3 parts. Now, past, future. Easy to remember.
Comment below and tell us, how would you answer, "Tell me about yourself"? We want to read your answers.
And remember, keep it between 30 to 60 seconds. Not too long, not too short. Practice makes perfect.
Here's another example for meeting new friends. Hi, I'm Sarah. I love cooking. I learned to cook from my grandmother. I hope to open a small restaurant someday.
Beautiful. Notice the pattern? Present, past, future. It works every time.
If you're finding this helpful, share this video with your friends who are learning English. They'll thank you.
Now, let's talk about what not to say. Don't start with, I don't know. Sound confident.
Right, and don't share your whole life story. Keep it relevant. Relevant means connected to the situation.
For example, in a job interview, talk about your work experience. When meeting friends, talk about your hobbies and interests.
Comment right now, what's the hardest part for you in introducing yourself in English? Tell us.
Let's practice one more time together. Imagine you're at a language exchange event. You could say, "Hello, I'm David. I'm learning English and Spanish. I started learning languages last year. I want to travel the world and make international friends."
Perfect. See how natural that sounds? You can do this too.
Practice in front of a mirror at home. Say it out loud. That's how you become fluent. Fluent means you can speak easily and smoothly.
Don't forget to turn on notifications for the Simple English podcast. Ring that bell so you never miss our lessons.
All right, let's quickly review some useful phrases you can use. I'm currently working as, I studied, my goal is to, I'm passionate about. This means you really love something. In my free time, I...
These phrases will make you sound more professional and confident.
Remember, keep it simple, keep it short, and be yourself. That's the secret.
One last thing, practice with a friend or family member. Ask them to say, "Tell me about yourself," and then you answer. Do this every day.
Yes, and comment below your practice answer. We'll read them and give you feedback.
Now, here's your homework. Write your "Tell me about yourself" answer and say it 5 times today.
Okay, everyone, time for our vocabulary review. Let's remember the key words from today.
Vocabulary list. Introduce, to tell someone your name and information about yourself. Relevant, connected to the topic or situation. Fluent, able to speak a language easily and smoothly. Confident, feeling sure about yourself. Passionate, loving something very much. Goal, something you want to achieve in the future. Experience, things you have done before. Interview, a meeting where someone asks you questions about yourself. Pattern, a repeated way of doing something. Professional, acting in a serious, work-like way.
These words will help you speak better English every day.
Thank you so much for watching the Simple English podcast. You're doing amazing in your English learning journey.
Don't forget, subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and comment your "Tell me about yourself" answer below.
Share this video with someone who needs help with English. Together, we can all improve.
See you in the next episode. Keep practicing and stay confident.
Goodbye, everyone. Remember, you can do this.